So, I don't have a lot of content, so I don't know what all I got going on, but I'll try to make something. Alright, good afternoon. It is Monday afternoon. We're over here in Dunn, North Carolina. I delivered over in Lumberton this morning, or this afternoon. I got over there. I had to wait 2 hours to get unloaded. We are at the Pilot, what used to be the Sadler, or it's still called the Sadler, and they're a Pilot dealer now. In Dunn, North Carolina. I used to, this place is crazy. I used to hang out here when I did household goods. I did household goods for 18 years before I started doing flatbed. And mainly what I did is military loads. So most of what I hauled was out of Fort Huachuca in Arizona. And a lot of it went up here to Fort Bragg, Fort Stewart, pretty much all the Army bases up and down the coast here, Fort Gordon. So I spent a lot of time at this little truck stop right here. But it was Sadler back then. It wasn't crazy, it wasn't busy. But they still got a Quiznos subs and a Dairy Queen. But anyway, we got lucky. We got to run down to I can't think of it. Wilmington. We got to run down to Wilmington, North Carolina tomorrow morning. Hopefully we get the rest of these off rather quickly. Then we're going to run over to Camp Lejeune, pick up a military load going up to Michigan. And that's where I say we got lucky, is that military load going up to Michigan. Booked that this morning. But anyway, just a little update. I don't mind loading, I don't mind hauling these ATVs, but the delivery is what stresses me out more than anything. A lot of these little dealers are not set up for big trucks. Alright, good morning. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning. We're filling up our water tank. We're in Beaver Dam, Ohio. It is Thursday morning, early Thursday morning. We loaded up some military stuff, taking this up to Michigan. We got about another 350, 400 miles to go. Super light, easy. Little cow truck over here. We shouldn't call it a cow truck, it's a pig truck. Got some pigs in there. They're all sleeping good. It's nice. It's nice and cool out here. we made it up here to Saginaw, Michigan. We're at a Love's truck stop. I got some fuel. So I've stopped this truck stop a while back, right after they built it. I might end up back here if I don't have anything to load. I checked, they got washer and dryer and everything. Oh, plus it's a little cooler up here than where I was. I loaded down in North Carolina on Tuesday afternoon, and the heat got me pretty good. So I only drove about I think I drove about 70 miles after I got loaded. I loaded on a military base, and I made it to a rest area. I went to sleep. So real quick, so I loaded, and it is 1,200 miles up here from where we loaded, which is down in Jacksonville, North Carolina. 1,200 miles. So mathematically, you're looking at 24 hours worth of driving. So we'll say 22 hours worth of driving to get up here. And you still got to take two 10-hour breaks. So what's that, 22, 42? So you're looking at about 46, 48 hours to get up here. So if we loaded at 3 o'clock on Tuesday afternoon, we should get up here about 3 o'clock on Thursday. Well, we're going to get over there probably about 11, so we did pretty good. I actually made really good time yesterday. The point I was trying to make is it doesn't matter if I drove 8 hours after I got loaded or if I drove 1 hour after I got loaded. It doesn't change the arrival time. It still takes X amount of hours to drive the miles, 1,200 miles, and I still have to take two 10-hour breaks. So it doesn't change the total time that it takes to get there. The only way that would change is if I loaded with an empty clock, meaning I hadn't started my clock yet, and I loaded, and I would only have to technically probably take one 10-hour break. That's if I could drive straight there. So anyway, it's kind of, especially with the ELDs, that's kind of how my brain works. So anyway, did real good, made good time yesterday. We drove 667 miles yesterday, and we averaged, I just bought fuel, 6.5 miles a gallon. We had to axle up on the Dorsey trailer, and we saved on tolls, so we did pretty good, and we're real late. I went to Hardee's because I like their breakfast sandwiches, and I got breakfast sandwich. We're taking a 30-minute break because from here we're going to a town now, Alpena or something like that. Let's see, what's the name of it? Alpena, I think that's how you say it, which is over on the lake side, whatever lake that is over there. But from here it's about 150 miles through the woods. We got up here yesterday. If you look on the water tower in Alpena, Michigan, we delivered our little bit of military stuff yesterday, and we don't have a reload. So I came down here to this Walmart, kind of camped out here at this Walmart. I don't want to stay past my welcome, so we're getting ready to leave here in a bit. Oh, so the plan is we got about 150 miles down to that Love's I was at yesterday. We're gonna go back down to that Love's, hang out there, do some laundry. Alright, we made it down here to this Love's. Actually, the name of this town is Bridgeport, Michigan. It's near Saginaw. I bought fuel here yesterday. $3.94 a gallon. That was pump price. And I swear when I pulled in here, I don't know if you guys can see the sign or not, it said $3.99 and now it says $4.08. $4.08 a gallon for the cash price, pump price. There's tanker truck delivering. It probably went up when that guy delivered right there. 408. What was that? What did I say? 3. Hang on a second. So that's 8 plus 6. 14 cents. Went up 14 cents a gallon in 24 hours. Crazy. That is crazy. I don't know what's going to happen. Freight slow. Fuel is going back up. So I don't know what's going to happen. I did scope this place out yesterday. They still have they got 2 washers, 2 dryers. The little laundry room thing's pretty clean. Another thing on my list to do is I need to clean out the truck or clean up the truck. I gotta get the dog hair vacuum and whatnot, so that's on my list. So I don't have a lot of content, so I don't know what all I got going on, but I'll try to make something. All right, good afternoon. We're still over here at this Love's. It's Saturday. The weather has turned really nice. It's a nice breeze blowing. Not too hot, not too humid. I've been working in the truck. I've been cleaning out and everything. See all this stuff right here? All of that came out of this side box. I found stuff I didn't even know I had. This is a short circuit, open circuit finder thing. And I almost bought another one of these on Amazon. And then here, I found this here. There's an Amazon package that hasn't been opened. And I don't even know what's in there. This thing here, forgot about this. Battery charger. Hose. Oh man, I hate turning into a pack rat. I hate carrying so much junk around. So I got 2 headlights. That should be one of the belts for the generator. There's a battery charger. Laundry soap. All kinds of mess. So anyway, I'll try to clean it up. Bailey's out here enjoying the fresh air. I gotta listen to that noisy generator right there. At least mine doesn't squeak. There's an Amazon package. I don't even know what it is. Oh, I know what this is for. This was for when I was going to do the generator. This is going to be the pass-through pipe. I think what do you call it, a bulk fitting. See? Yeah. What's in this one? What's this? I think this is a valve. Look at that little tiny screwdriver. That's cute. Oh man, that's a valve right there. Alright, now I know what that stuff is.